Hey guys, so today I want to talk about the background. So how to add some picture to the background. So so need to open the Sublime editor, and here is creates a file with the HTML file. It's your index.html. So yeah, and the CSS and the CSS code I write here in the HTML file. So if you write this, so the color, so the title will be the background. Yeah, and the CSS will be here. It is not time. Yeah, so the CSS code is I write here, and the body I will create um, heading 1 with example, and I will create a div with an ID, for example this background, so back. Okay, and here I will create h2 with lorem, and a paragraph with lorem text, and here close the div. Okay, and if you open, it is here. For example, how to add this picture. It is in the desktop. How to add here for the background. So in the style, so it is an ID and need to use this character. So it will be this back, and here I want to add a background image, background image, and here with an address with image dot gp. Okay, yeah, and yeah, if you, so the picture is here, but the picture is repeated, so it has a background repeat, no repeat, yeah, but the picture I want the position, so the background position will be, for example, left, right, top, yeah, and the picture is here, and I want the padding, for example, with 20 pixels. Yeah, and here. But if you want this picture to repeat, just delete this, and the picture is repeated. So thank you for watching, and see you later.